everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set reminder in Google Calendars. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendars app, and then in here, if you wanna set reminders, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the plus icon at the bottom. On this one, you just click on it. And after this, you can click on the reminders. And after this, in here you can set the reminders for maybe for the meeting. And after this, in here you can click on all day or no. I so use no. And after this, in here you can set for the day, maybe for 20 August. And after this, in here you just click on the okay, and then now you can click on the save at the top and finish. The reminder has been saved at your Google Calendars. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.